Socializing 104. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Muslims often claim that as they are very busy in their worldly activities, they find it difficult to do voluntary righteous deeds, especially those related to people, such as physically supporting someone. Even though Muslims should strive to perform as much voluntary righteous deeds as possible, as it will benefit them in both worlds, whereas their worldly activities will only benefit them in this world nonetheless, the least these Muslims should do is adopt a neutral mentality towards others. This means that if a Muslim cannot help others, they should not hinder them in their lawful and good activities. If they cannot make others happy, they should not make them sad. If they cannot make others laugh, they should not make them cry. This can be applied to countless scenarios. This is important to understand, as many Muslims might do good to others, such as provide them emotional support, but at the same time they destroy their good deeds by being negative towards people. It is important to note, if a Muslim is excessive in being negative towards others, it may cause them to be hurled into hell on Judgment Day. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. Having a neutral mentality is actually a good deed when done for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 250. To conclude, it is best to treat others in a positive way, which is a sign of a true believer, according to a narration found in Jami'a at-Tirmidhi, number 2515. But if they cannot do this, the least they should do is treat others in a neutral way, as treating others in a negative way may well lead to one's destruction.